Okay, today I'm going to discuss and show you how to reset a root password on CentOS 7. So, in order to do this, you have to reboot the machine and go to the grub boot menu. So, to achieve that, either you log in via some user and issue a reboot command, or you have to hard reset your system so that the server reboots and you go to the grub and you get the grub menu. So in my case, I know the password of user Sudhi, so I'll just log in with the username and password. So once I have logged in, there are multiple ways of to reboot the system. So ideally, I'm going to open a terminal, and from the terminal I will issue a reboot command. So I'll just open the terminal, and then from here I'm going to issue a reboot command. So I have to just keep an eye on the terminal and wait for the system, for the server to reboot, and once the grub menu appears, I have to use my up and down arrow keys to select the right kernel version. So in my case, if you see, the latest one is 3.10.0.957.5.1 E17 x86_64. So in your case, it can be different because time to time when you do a yum update, so the kernel version also updates. So you have to select the right version, the latest one from which you are booting and running your system. Once you select that, you press E to enter, press E to edit the selected item. So once you press E, then you will get couple of options, and then you need to search for a line or a string which starts with Linux 16. So once you select this Linux 16 thing, then you need to go to the end of the file. There can be various things depending on which system, like what kind of system it is and what it supports. So once you reach end of the file, you need to type rd.break. So once you have done this, after typing rd.break, you need to use the keys Ctrl plus X, and it will enter into a single user mode. So I'm going to press Ctrl X. Since after pressing Ctrl X, I have entered into single user mode. So after that, what I have to do is, so what I have to do is now to remount the sysroot. So by sysroot will be already mounted in a read-only format, but we need to mount it in read-only format. So what we are going to do is we are going to mount it in read-only format. So mount -o remount comma read write /sysroot. So once sysroot is mounted, we go to chroot /sysroot. Okay. Now after that, we are going to insert whatever password we want into the PSW file. So as we discussed, I'm going to reset it to the Red Hat 7. Okay, all authentication tokens are completed successfully. But updating the password file results in a file with the incorrect Linux security context. So to relabel all files on next system boot, enter the following command, that is touch touch /auto relabel. This will fix all the Linux context issues. And then press enter. Once it is done, So you need to reboot your system. So from here in single user mode, you can exit by typing to exit 2 times, or you can issue a command reboot if you have. And here our system goes for a reboot. So I will pause my video now, and I will be back once my system reboots. Okay, so what will happen is, once it will boot, it will check all the file system, do mounting, like all checks and all. Then again it will go for a reboot. So do not be worried. I will just pause my video. Okay, let's not pause the video and let's see what happens. So in a couple of minutes, like in few minutes, something few minutes, like at least a minute, will take at least a minute, and then it will again go for a reboot. So for the time, I will just pause my video so that our video length doesn't increase a lot. Okay, so my system rebooted after that, and now hopefully it will boot fine, and you will get the prompt to enter our username and password. So as we have said, the username and password of the password of root as RHEL 7. So we're going to enter the username as root and password as RHEL 7, and try entering into the system. Okay, so see, our system has booted fine, and now we'll try login as root and password as RHEL 7. So okay, so as you can see, we have successfully reset our root password from RHEL to RHEL 7. So thank you, thanks for watching this video, and please press the like button if you like it, and tell me if any other you would like to see any other videos. Thank you.